Hey, lovely people. If you're a health enthusiast like me, you're going to want to stop cooking these veggies wrong. Let's dive in. First up, spinach, rich in iron, vitamin C, and folate. But did you know boiling it can zap away its nutrients? Lightly steam or sauté it instead. Next, broccoli. This green dynamo loses up to 50% of its vitamin C when boiled. Try steaming or stir-frying it for maximum benefits. Cauliflower is another one. Boiling drains its vitamin C. Opt for steaming or roasting this versatile veggie. Tomatoes are a bit tricky. Cooking boosts lycopene but kills vitamin C. Balance it out by eating them raw and cooked. Green peas lose vitamins A, C, and K when boiled. Steam them or add them at the end of your cooking. Carrots, anyone? Cooking enhances beta-carotene but reduces vitamin C. Enjoy them raw in salads or lightly steamed. Capsicum or bell peppers lose their vitamin C quickly when cooked. Best to eat them raw or lightly sautéed. Cabbage, another cruciferous star, loses nutrients when boiled. Stick to steaming or stir-frying. Ridge gourd, low in calories but rich in vitamins A and C, loses its vitamin C when cooked. Lightly steam or sauté it. Lastly, bitter gourd. Boiling it reduces its beneficial phytochemicals. Stir-fry or steam it to keep the goodness intact. So there you have it. 10 veggies that lose nutrition when cooked and how to save their nutrients. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more health tips. Stay healthy, everyone.